Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Honda CR-V radio serial number. This simple process helps you retrieve the unique 8-digit code needed to reactivate your stereo after a battery disconnection. You can perform this method right from your driver's seat without needing any special tools or having to remove the radio from the dashboard. It's a quick and straightforward way to get your music back up and running in just a few moments. To begin, turn your car's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, make sure your radio is completely powered off. Now, simultaneously press and hold down the radio preset buttons labeled 1 and 6. While still holding these two buttons, press the power button to turn your radio back on. The unique serial number for your radio will then be displayed on the screen, usually as two separate 4-digit segments. Once the serial number appears on your radio display, be sure to write down the full 8-digit code accurately. This number is crucial because it acts as a key to unlock your radio's anti-theft security feature. You will typically use this serial number, along with your vehicle's identification number, on the official Honda owner's website or by contacting a Honda dealership to obtain your specific radio unlock code. If the display method does not work for your particular Honda CR-V model, there are other options. You might find the radio code or serial number on a sticker inside your glove box or within your owner's manual. Alternatively, the serial number is always located on a label on the back of the radio unit, though this requires removing the stereo. Finally, your local Honda dealership can also assist you in retrieving this important number.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.